following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Vectronics is Pittsburgh's most trusted microbial control company who specializes in creating healthy indoor environments for your home or business. Vectronics tests and treats for mold and odors.
So, first Kdka test with my Raycom! Alright, let's move this thing out of the way. Okay, I'm sorry I'm showing this. Alright, why is my camera acting?
I'm my easy screen now, guys. Alright? Easy! Oh, come on. I heard that.
And I'm on with these two...
Hello?
These two Pitts boyos.
Okay, I'm censoring that out. Also, I'm Pittsburgh EAS. Hello. Oh, God. I didn't even know it was already here.
And there's SG2.
Alright, I'm recording now. I'm recording now.